Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And in today's video, I'm gonna see if charcoal will participate in doing some art. Now, I have seen some of those videos where people get their pets to create art. They basically put, they drop some paint onto a little canvas, put it in a plastic baggie, and then lay down some treats and stuff. And typically I've seen it mostly on dogs, I feel, where they'll then like lick up the treats and that kind of thing and push the paint around and make some art. So we're gonna see if charcoal will do something similar. And of course I will definitely keep very close watch so she won't eat any of the plastic or something like that, or no harm will come to her. She'll just be eating like her treats and her lettuce off the top. It's basically going to be a plate. So that's pretty much it. Let's get started. Alrighty, so here we go. I got some paint, I got two little canvases, and I got the baggie to put it in. Her treats are over behind me. So here we go. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna do two separate colors, and if they mix, it doesn't matter. So, oh, if you hear noise, it's my air conditioner, sorry. I'm thinking for one of them, alright, there's no colors there. For one of them, I'm gonna do like blue and purple. And then the other one, maybe like blue. I was thinking like pink and purple, but I don't have like set pink paint without mixing. And I don't really feel like mixing. That's charcoal's job this time. So, I'm just gonna do like, I'll just do both loop, and I want to do different. So alright, I will be back with the paint on here. Alrighty, I am back, and here we go. This is like more of just a blue, and this is like some red, and apparently I did have a pinkish kind of color, so that's like blue and pink and whatever. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to carefully set them into the bag. Flatten it out a bit and then seal it. Alright, next thing to do is to set treats on top of this and give it to charcoal.
Hi, Pumpkin. Are you ready? Give me 1 second. Are you ready? Huh? Are you ready? Alrighty, are you ready, Pumpkin? Huh? Are you ready? Oh no! Oh my goodness. Okay, relax. There you go.
Oh, you don't get any traction, don't you? Don't. Oh, oops.
You did such a good job, Charcoal. Good job. Yes. Good job.
Yes. Alright, so it looks like this is the best we're gonna get, and you know what? That is perfectly fine. I'm gonna take these out of the bag and, excuse me, I'm gonna let them dry. So I will be back. So yeah, that was Charcoal creating some art. I think it's super cute. I don't know, I'm gonna put it on the wall, and on the back I'll just be like, you know, Charcoal made it and the date. I don't know. It's just cute, you know, the fun things that pet owners do for their furry babies. So, excuse me. Excuse me again. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want, and I will see you all next time. Bye!